Ramon. Magbabayad siya sa ginawa nila kay Mamu.
Di lang reputasyon ni Fatima ang kailangan sirain. Pati reputasyon ni Tanggol kailangan masira para manalo tayo.
Jeez, ba't hindi na lang natin ilabas sa sindikato mga Montenegro?
Yan ang huwag mong gagawin. Tayo ang protector nila. Mas masisira tayo, hindi sila.
Wala ka nang magagawa, Ramon. May karapatan ako at ang anak ko sa lahat ng kayamanan at kapangyarihan ng mga Montenegro.
Naman! Dito matuturing at ang anak mong yan ng isang pamilya!
Bakit? May mga tinanggap din naman kayo na hindi nyo kadugo.
Hinahabol tayo ng mga pulis! Ano gagawin mo, pare? Tuputo ka tayo! Bilisan nyo! Gagawin nyo hindi tayo makabutan! Mag-iwalay ulit tayo!
Pinarada mo ang bangkay ng anak mo sa lugar ninyo. Marami ang naiskandalo. Kaya mabuting magpalamig ka muna sa loob.
Bigyan natin siya ng maayos na buro ng bibig.
Pinapangako ko sa Tol. Hindi ako titigil hanggat di ko nabibigyan ng katarungan ng pagkamatay mo. Igaganti kita. Papatayin ko si Miguelito Guerrero. Hindi ako papayag sa ginawa niya sa'yo.
Sir,
Ano yun?
may bago kaming lead tungkol sa tangkang pagpatay kay Mayor Guerrero. Ito po.
Makakalis ka na.
Thank you, sir.
Baba, si Tanggol.
Umalis. Kasama niya ang tropa. Panilibig yata si David.
Ano? Ramon, ba't hindi nagpaalam si Tanggol?
Ngayon mo tatawagan ko.
Pa, I made you some tea.
Salamat.
Bakit nandyan ba ang lubong na yan dito?
Tumigil ka nga, Ramon. Bakit ba ang bigat-bigat na loob mo kay Olivia?
Joel, nagsinungaling ka. Tinago mo na meron pang isang Montenegro.
Inilihim ko si Olivia hindi lamang sa'yo, kundi sa lahat. Nangako ako kay Pilar na hindi ko sasabihin ang katotohanan dahil ang akala ko mas makabubuti kay Olivia ang lumaki sa mga gerero.
Hindi ko pa napapatunayan ang sarili ko sa'yo, ha? Sinunod ko lahat ng mga utos mo. Pero ang ginawa mo, may lihim ka pa rin. Ano ba ang sikreto na tinatago mo, ha?
Ramon, hindi ko alam. Nakakailanganin kong sabihin ang katotohanan. Hindi ko alam na itatakwil ng mga gerero si Olivia. Bakit hindi mo na lang kalimutan ang mga nangyayari? Tanggapin mo na lang si Olivia bilang iyong kapatid na mabuo ang ating pamilya.
No!
Ramon! Binigyan ako ng permiso si Olivia na tumira dito. May karapatan siya sa pamamahay na ito.
Hindi ba sapat sa'yo, Papa, na tinulungan kita para umunlad ang negosyo at yumaman tayo ng ganito? Walang ibang pwedeng umangkin dito kung hindi ang anak ko.
Papa, ayokong maging dahilan ng pag-aaway niyo ni Ramon. Maybe it's best na umalis na lang kami.
Hindi. Hindi ka alis. May karapatan ka bilang isang Montenegro.
Walang karapatan ng babaeng yan sa yaman at kapangyarihan natin, Papa.
Ako pa rin ang ulo ng pamilyang ito, Ramon. Ako lang ang may karapatan magdesisyon kung sino ang pamamanahan ko. Kung sino man tao ang walang karapatan dito sa pamamahay ko, yung kinakasama mo. Puro na lang problema ang dinala dito sa pamamahay ko.
Makinig ka sa akin, ina siya
No!
ni Tanggol!
No more! Ayoko nang makinig sa'yo, Ramon. Tanggapin mo na lang si Olivia bilang kapatid mo sa ayaw at sa gusto mo!
Hindi magkakaroon ng buwang ang Olivia na yan. Sa pamamahay na ito!
Roberto,
Hmm.
si Colonel Romero nandito.
Colonel. Anong balita at naligaw ka?
Mayor, may sensitive information kami natanggap na dapat mong malaman.
Ano yun?
Tungkol ito sa unang assassination attempt sa'yo.
Okay, go on.
Napitpit namin yung isang suspect na nahuli namin. At ikinanta niya kung sino ang mastermind na nagbayad para ipapatay ka.
Sino yung taong yan? Well, go ahead. Sino?
Si Olivia, yung kapatid mo.
Ano? Ate mo?
Nagawa ni Ate Olivia na ipapatay ako para lang makuha niya yung posisyon.
Gano'n na nga po lumalabas, Mayor. At ngayon nasa kabilang puder na siya, mas lalo kayong dapat mag-ingat.
Hindi naman magtatagal tong labanan namin ng mga Montenegro. Kailangan niyang pagbayaran ng ginawa niya. Pero, tatalunin ko muna sila sa eleksyon na ito, yung partido nila. At sisiguraduhin kong matatalo sila. Tawagan mo si Dimagiba. Ngayon, usapin ko.
Mayor, nakakulong si Dimagiba.
Bakit?
Parang nasiraan ng bait sa pagkamatay ng anak niya. Binitbit niya yung bangkay at nagkurumentado.
Wala akong pakialam kung ano man ang ginagawa ni Dimagiba. Alayain mo yan. Kailangan ko siya.
Masusunod, Mayor. Tuloy na po ako. Ma'am.
I'd like to settle in as quickly as possible.
Mom, why are we staying here? Ramon hates us.
Dahil nandito ang bagong pamilya natin. I know, medyo mahirap, pero we'll manage. Trust me. Come on. Okay, check your room.
Mayora, mukhang tama si Inigo. Mukhang magiging problema niyo si Ramon.
Alam ko. Kaya nga, hindi na ako mag-aaksaya ng panahon sa kanya. Alam ko na kung sinong pupuntiryahin ko.
Sino?
Who else? Eh di yung Marites. Yung kinakalantari ni Ramon. Nakita mo ba kung paano siya tratuhin ng papa? Pwedeng-pwede siyang pagmulan ng away between Papa and Ramon. At pag nangyari yun, sigurado ako ang kakampihan ng Papa. Okay. Dito tayo. Dito lahat yan. Pasok.
Hindi talaga niya.
Dahan-dahan, that Spanish leather. Mas mahal pa yan kaysa sa buhay mo. Oh, yung ibang gamit ko nasa kotse. Bilis! Wow. Bagal eh.
Ate Olivia, anong nangyayari?
Ate? Olivia na lang. Total naman, hindi nagkakalayo ang edad natin. Is this your room? Parang hindi ka naman nababagay dito.
Anong ginagawa nung gamit mo dito?
Maring. Maring, right?
Marites.
Of course. Of course, Marites. Marites. Nag-usap kasi kami ng papa. Sabi niya sa akin, pwede akong mamili ng kwarto dito sa mansyon. And I happen to like this one. So if you don't mind, ipalipat na natin yung mga gamit mo.
Sige. Pwedeng ipaalam ko lang kay Ramon tsaka kay Don Julio na lilipat ako.
Ipapaalam mo sa papa ko? Bakit hindi ka naman Montenegro ah? You know what? It's really no problem. Pwede ka naman dun sa kwarto ng mga muchacha. Lorenzo,
Clara.
tulungan mo si Marites sa mga gamit niya.
Ano nangyayari dito?
Ramon, I was just picking a room.
Kwarto ni Marites ito.
Oh, ganun ba? Pasensya ka na, kuya. Hindi ko alam. Marites, I'm so sorry.
Alam mo kung napapaikot mo si Papa, ako hindi mo ako maluloko ah. Nung una pa lang kita makita, basang-basa na kita. Alam ko na ang pagkatao mo.
Wow! Ang layo na ng usapan na. Ramon, I'm just picking a room. All right, all right. You can have it. Total, ayaw ko naman talaga ng kwartong puno ng peste.
Sige na, labas na.
Lorenzo!
Dami pang sinasabi. No, ito. Tiano. Okay ka lang.
Ha?
60% sa kanya. 40% lang ho kay Mayor Miguelito. Parang ibang klase talaga ang pagtanggap ng tao kay Tanggol.
Ano? Totoo ba yan?
That's a lie, Sandy. Gaano ka-accurate yung survey na yan?
Baka naman pa-survey to ng kabila. Eh di dapat magpa-survey din tayo ng para sa atin. Tapos, Sandy, palabasin mo 100% to si Miguelito.
Exactly.
I'm afraid this is an independent, very reliable firm. Sila ang gumawa. They've consistently been very accurate. 95% accurate nitong mga nakaraang ilang dekada sa election results natin dito sa NCR.
Sandy, sandali lang eh. Hindi ko maintindihan pa paano nangyari yan. Lahat ng baho at dumi na binato sa amin, ikaw mismo naglinis, hindi ba? Maayos na yun, malinis na. Pagkatapos spin-off natin, pinalabas natin na si Tanggol kung anong klaseng pagkatao niya, nung nag-filing tayo sa NEC dahil ginulpi niya si Miguelito. Doon pa lang, kawawa yung anak ko.
Actually, Mayor, malaking factor yung nangyari ng filing of candidacy.
Oh.
Na-turn off ang tao sa pangmamaliit ni Mayor Miguelito sa pinagmulan ni Tanggol. Kaya yung mga mahihirap, yung mga galing sa wala, mas lalong kumapit kay Tanggol tsaka sa mga tao niya. I'm sorry, but it looks like tong araw na yon, ang totoong nagpakita ng tunay na kulay ay si Mayor Miguelito.
Dito tayo dadaan, ha? Sunod kayo sa akin.
Kinakailangan natin umalis ng Maynila. Delikado ang lagay natin dito. Sigurado ako maraming tauhan ang nakakalat. Para hanapin tayo.
Papo, kahit saan naman tayo magpunta, sigurado ako mahanap nila tayo eh. At papatayin tayo gaya ng ginawa kay Mamo.
Papu, hindi ba tayo gaganti? Hindi ba natin bibigyan ng hustisya yung pagkapatay ni Mamo?
Aki, na. Delikado yung buhay natin ngayon. Malalaking tao yung kalaban natin. Mamamatay tayong lahat.
Tama si Nog-Nog. Ang importante ngayon ay mailigtas ko ang buhay ninyo. At kapag alam ko nang ligtas kayo, ako mismo ang babalik dito para ipaghigat ni si Gracia. Papatayin ko sila lahat.
Sunod kayo sa akin.
My people, you all need to see this video and see what happened on this video. Please share this video, let everybody see this video. You see this man you were saying, his friend decided to prank him and see what happened on this video. In wife, he newly give birth. He always they make math. In friend, then he can't carry this girl, say he want prank him, make him see whether he go really fall. My people, waiting my eyes see, my mouth no fit talk. Anyway, let me leave you guys to watch this video and see what happened on this video. Remember, this is a prank video. Yeah?
See guys, it's been a while I do this kind of prank, but this prank I want to do deep down they pay me comfort. They pay me.
Why
you know, this guy wants to prank. See, I want prank him. Whether Ingo for, I want you to use this guy. Okay. I want you let Ebola make it stand that he can't resist you. Because this guy for some time, he don't they make mouth. I believe you guys will know him, Short Man. Congratulations to him. He gave his wife gave birth recently, and they post their videos for social media.
Steadily.
They pepper us. They stop people. They let us know say that true love they exist.
I swear.
But I want to see if this guy truly love this girl. I not because I want to destroy person marriage, but I'm feeling bad.
No. Don't feel bad, baby.
What if he falls for this prank? What if he falls? Because he called me as at yesterday we spoke. He said he won't come my house. Say one will do 1 or 2 stuffs. You get with one align. So he called me like an hour ago because he come from the mainland. So I believe because when he called me, I say don't reach my almost close to my area. Let me call him. I'm feeling really bad, Comfort.
Don't feel bad. Don't feel bad.
I don't want to destroy someone's marriage. What if this guy fall and his wife see this video? What am I gonna say?
Let's just give it a try.
Man, I really don't want to do this. I don't want. This guy don't to make mouths. Like he was like, I don't want to be the reason why I will destroy somebody else's marriage.
I don't think it will get to that.
But if he falls, I'm not gonna post this video. I won't post it. I don't know if it's destroy person marriage. I know how much this guy love his wife, and they are newly married. They are newly couple. Let me call. Let's see.
Just give it a try.
This is more than a try, man. Short Man, I'm sorry I'm gonna do this to you. I'm really sorry, Short Man. Hello, Alpha now, Short Man. Alpha, where you there? You don't dey reach, Abi?
I don't do your street, Matthew. I don't do your street.
Okay, the reason why they call you Seth, I'm not there. I know Saturday say I get shoot today, so you get it. I go pick 1 or 2 costumes for another area, but give me like since you don't do my street, just give me like 40 to 50 minutes. I'll be with you. Okay?
But I want to come there now.
No, now the gate, my gate is open now. I get one of the actor I want shoot with. She dey inside. So she go open the door for you. I don't already tell her say person they come. Say Short Man they come. She know you, sef. She's a big fan. She said she's a big fan.
I wait for you for your house.
Yeah. She said she's a big fan. So maybe before I come now. So alright. So just exercise patience and you'll see me in the next 40 minutes. You'll see me.
Okay, no problem.
What is it?
I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this prank.
Like I told you before, I said let's give it a try.
I really don't want to do this.
Let's just give it a try.
Okay. Other thing, guys, you guys should not worry about the camera angles. I've been planning this prank since yesterday, and I don't tell you, Michael, I don't tell you where you go place the camera. Where we'll place the 2 cameras. You understand? We'll be doing this for a while now. Although I never do prank since. Let's go. Be fast, he go still reach here. Mona, do quick now. Do quick. This guy go still reach here. Close the door. Come here, guys. I don't tell you everything you need to do, right?
Okay.
So don't forget. Guys, yeah, come on, sit down. Ramona, set the camera. Yeah. Lie down now.
Who's there? I'm coming. Long time. How are you? Fine. Congratulations to you. You know, we haven't met since last year.
Alright.
I'm a big fan.
Yeah, thank you.
I remember we did a video then. You remember? Last year.
You don't take, but I think I will remember you.
So how are you?
I'm fine. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey. Yeah. See you now.
It's not around.
Yeah. See, my just wait for her so they come. So I wait for her when come. Get shoot, so we won't shoot.
Okay.
Mm.
Even me, I was supposed to have a shoot, but I'm having a slight headache. That's why I'm here.
Sorry.
Yes. Thank you.
I hope seeing you will take time before you come.
I don't think so. Okay, safe is not okay. Okay, sorry, but what will you take? Just to see the person every time. To restore. You know, if you okay, I want to get you drunk. Why you do this kind of thing? Why you do this kind of thing? At the end of the day, the friends decide to punk you. And your wife is my member, your wife know the bomb, you know how she know the bomb. Hope you like red wine. That's all we have.
I don't mind.
Okay. Fine, but don't put it.
Okay, it's fine. Okay, thank you.
I'm sorry. This one turned me off.
Yeah? I beg you. I even caught yourself. Because all this rubbish, I don't like them at all. Which kind of nonsense be this? This one, we don't they know me before I even know anything. This one. I will just call you as one person, call the same. No, but I know they even go self. You don't understand this kind.
Who are you talking to? Let me put up outside you.
Wait. Come on, you're there. Wait till this one now. Wait till the meaning of all this one.
Don't like what you say.
See, cover all this thing. Wait till the meaning of this one.
Like
what you say yourself.
Why you behaving like this?
Behaving yourself. See, come off my front.
I'm in the mood.
In the mood of what?
You made me drink the wine, shut man on. I need you.
Oh! I beg you.
Am I doing something?
I want everything to be set up.
Why you behaving like this?
Behaving like hey, don't hear me. Don't hear me.
You will make me force you now. No one respect yourself.
See, come out. I don't like him.
What's
Stop, stop, stop.
Swear that you don't want.
Stop. I don't want.
Just man, swear that you
stop.
Don't.
Stop. Stop.
Okay.
I don't like him.
I will stop. Oh yeah, wait.
Stop.
I will stop.
Stop.
I will stop. Wait now. Listen to me. I will stop on one condition.
Which condition?
You will touch me. I need you to touch me. I'm on.
I don't be touched.
I'm on. I need you. Why are you behaving like this?
I don't be touch you. Stop. Stop. I don't like him. I dey go.
Okay, I'm begging you, please shut my
Stop. I don't want. Like that.
Don't go
No
now.
come close to me. I don't want.
Okay, yeah, sit down. Please.
I go only sit down if you say you don't go do all this rubbish. Which kind of
I'll
rubbish
not
is this?
I'll just watch.
I dey wait for person. You just come when they begin do all this rubbish. Go wear your clothes.
You think I'm not beautiful enough?
Wetin concern me if you beautiful abi no beautiful? No concern me. If you beautiful na for yourself. Wetin concern me with your beauty? Don't come near me abeg. I dey wait for person allow am make come. This kind of rubbish be this one. If you beautiful, give it to other people. Then stop.
Are you really
See,
sure?
I don tell you.
Are you really sure you don't want me?
I don't want you. Wetin concern me with you?
Look at me, baby.
Stop!
Your wife home is not big like this one. Why are you behaving like this one?
Abeg, who be this? Stop. See, if you hear me, I fit give you blow. I swear, if you near me, I give you blow. Now, because of saying the woman, that's why they respect you. I don't want to give you blow. If you near me, I will give you blow. Stop!
Are you finger me? I want you to finger me.
Stop.
I'm not letting you go anyway. You made me drink the wine. I'm hot. I'm mad. Like, shut up, I'm mad. I want to touch you. I'm mad.
Okay,
please touch me now. Make me feel like a woman or something. Why are you behaving like this? Because I beg you. Why are you behaving like this? Are you not in Lagos? Are you a baby?
Stop. I don't like this thing. Stop. You make me vex.
Okay, wait.
Leave.
It's not that, okay, wait. Okay, I want you to understand one thing. It's not that I'm forcing you. It's just because I have a crush on you. I like your color and I want you. Is it too much to ask for as a friend? Shut mouth. Eh?
Oh, God.
Okay, but at least calm down.
What's it be this one? Leave me. Walk with other men. I'm married. Leave me. What's it be this one?
So that they follow you talk now, you know what to do.
Reason with you, aside. What I won't follow you reason? I have nothing to reason with you. Nothing. Jesus. Leave me now. Leave me. Leave me now. Jesus. Leave me. Leave me
Man, I'm so sorry. Take the talk and I say sorry, not prank. Thank God, Shopman did not fall. But na mind you be, na mind.
Who is that? Come on, don't touch me. Don't touch me. Who's that? Don't touch me. Wait, you pranked me. You pranked me.
Even though you fall, I forgot those people stand. Now pause this video. Hey, don't say this guy a real man. Shopman really love you.
You love your wife. You love your wife.
If you want prank me, don't you want to go use prank me? Now woman, you use prank me. Now woman, you use prank me. No, that. Oh God! You want fun of that? It's work, you know.
No, what I tell you? I can't if you fall.
You want fun of that?
No, I can't say you fall for this prank. I'm not going to post prank. But as long as say you don't fall, I'm going to post this. You want to let them. I'm not camera everywhere.
You want fun of that? You know what I love my wife. I can never cheat on my wife no matter what. If not giving period, I can never cheat on my wife. Why you use man prank me for what? Just allow this prank me, no woman.
Sorry.
You know what this guy nearly cost for me?
I'm sorry, Shopman. I'm sorry.
She's begging you. And I don't like this.
Jesus.
We're supposed to say the call prankster house now. Anything can happen.
Sorry.
Anything can happen, bro. But that was
What?
that was great. All the while I take on and they observe.
You said I call your house, if they prank me with you.
Not only saying they prank you.
Now the truth what should be
For
this.
your wife. You want to know whether you be good friend to them too.
I can never cheat on my wife, I will beat my death.
You're a good man. You can see that now.
Oh God.
Sorry.
No
Sorry.
vex. No vex.
And I'm begging on your wife's behalf too. I'm sorry.
And Shopman, guess what? When your wife watch this video, she will be very, very happy.
Yes.
She'll be proud
Yes.
of you.
Yes.
She will say yes. Now real man and married.
Yes.
You see, yes, not my real man and married, not the woman rapper. She'll be proud of you. She'll be proud of you.
Just to watch. See if it works.
Now, ma, you be bro. Now, ma, you be not best at
So
it.
proud of you.
Yeah.
So proud of you. Now some men,
But don't forsake me.
I have to tell you.
Now, ma, you be.
And comfort. That was beautiful.
Thank you.
That was
Thank
beautiful.
you. Thank you.
They love it. Afa. No, do the shoot now. I beg, make I offer everything. Make I offer.
This is what you do for me. Oh God.
Now, all the girls.
Don't ask me now.
My boyfriend still there here now. You tell me I want to pay for the front.
You see the surprise, you see the shock me like I don't understand. From here to here.
But you not fall now.
Even if I don't fall, Tio, use other things prank me.
Even if you fall short man, me,
I be married now, I get pikin.
do anything for you with you too.
I get pikin now.
Me, sef, I not fit do anything with you. Now just prank. Not vex. Not vex.
I will not vex.
Not vex,
Because
sorry. Not vex.
this is what we do. This is what we do. Shotman, this is
Not
what we
vex.
do. Okay?
Yeah.
But
Mama,
please, I
God
want
bless
to
you.
post this video so that your wife will see it
I know say your wife trusts you before, now the trust will improve, will increase. Eh? Because I can say 80% or 90% of men will fall for this prank. At least 90 to 85% of men will fall for this prank.
I will never fall for this kind of prank because the day I made my wife, I made my wife my wife. I'll vowed I will never cheat on my wife. If you like, fine.
Men on the year. You know, men on the year. I beg. I'm sorry. Most. Afa, do your actions. See that they go.